is our most precious resource. It's basic to all life. Nothing can live without water. Water modifies our climate, it nurtures our food, and it contributes to our well-being. Water even provides us with an ideal playground for sport and leisure activities. Water needs to be managed. For instance, to harness its power, to avoid damage to high-tech installations, to make sure that it does not penetrate into buildings. Water must also be retained in concrete structures, as in a pool or in a sewage plant. Water also needs to be protected as potable water. Wherever water is involved in a structure, waterproofing and protection to maintain its functionality and value are required. In 1946, VANDEX created a new invention, capillary waterproofing. It was nothing less than a new method of structural waterproofing and formed the basis of VANDEX business worldwide. The major VANDEX waterproofing products consist of cement, quartz sands, aggregates, and special chemical components. Together they give the individual products their specific characteristics. The powder is mixed with water and applied on concrete in slurry form. VANDEX concrete waterproofing works like this. Here, dry concrete, showing free lime and moisture in the capillary system. Once inside the concrete capillaries, water may cause physical and chemical damage. Here, the same concrete wall, after coating with VANDEX. The reaction between the free lime, the moisture, and the VANDEX chemicals has started. VANDEX penetrates the concrete, forming chemical complexes that fill the capillaries. The concrete is now watertight and protected. The VANDEX chemical complexes remain in the concrete, ready to reactivate upon water impact. Clever inventions in themselves do not automatically assure success. VANDEX success factors are attractive cost-benefit ratio, total concrete compatibility, quick and easy application. VANDEX waterproofing offers additional advantages. It can be applied to both the active and passive side. It's non-toxic and approved for potable water installations, and it protects concrete and reinforcement. VANDEX solves many waterproofing problems for any type of new and existing water-including or water-excluding structures, for example, as waterproofing for potable water reservoirs, on buildings near water as interior waterproofing, for road underpasses as exterior waterproofing, for precast tunnel segments as exterior waterproofing, or an old building refurbishment as a horizontal barrier against rising damp, interior or exterior waterproofing. In general concrete work, for elevator pits or construction joints. For concrete repair, VANDEX provides system products based on the latest findings. Today, VANDEX offers a complete line of products for total solutions in concrete waterproofing, concrete repair and protection, and old building refurbishment. VANDEX capillary waterproofing slurries are simple to use and do not require expensive equipment. This is clearly demonstrated by waterproofing an open-air swimming pool. Prior to applying VANDEX, it is vitally important to clean the entire surface to be treated, to remove dirt, form oil, and latents, thus assuring an open capillary system for VANDEX to penetrate. High-pressure water or wet sandblasting is used. Dry sandblasting is possible as well. Form tie holes, cracks exceeding 0.3 millimeter, and honeycombing need to be chiseled back to sound concrete. These cavities are filled with VANDEX mortar. Seepages have to be plugged according to the VANDEX method. Before the VANDEX treatment, the concrete should be saturated with water. This step is important for the chemical reactions to take place and to ensure that the strength of the VANDEX layer itself develops properly. For larger jobs, pneumatic spray equipment, often including a hopper gun, is convenient for VANDEX waterproofing slurries. The sprayed layer, in this case VANDEX BB75, is troweled to close the surface and assure uniform thickness. VANDEX may also be applied with masonry brushes. 1 or 2 coats of slurry are needed, depending on specification. Certain VANDEX products can also be troweled on for a smooth finish, which is often required, especially in water-retaining structures. Following its application, the VANDEX treatment must properly cure while protected from rain and direct sunlight. So the VANDEX application is covered for at least 5 days to keep it moist. Another example of a typical successful VANDEX specialty is VANDEX Uni-Mortar 2. It cures fast in 1 operation. Uni-Mortar 2 is used as a leveling and waterproofing mortar for horizontal surfaces and ramps. These are the steps for a successful application. Correct surface preparation is a basic requirement for a perfect bond. A grinder is used here to remove latents and loose particles, to roughen the surface and open the pores. Sandblasting is a suitable alternative. A blade chisel has to be used to reach the edges. Grinding residue is removed using a water hose. With excess water eliminated, the surface exhibits a dull dampness as mortar is applied. Uni-Mortar 2 is mixed with water, stirred, and poured into the prepared section. The mortar is distributed easily across the section with a trowel. Then it's struck off to the desired layer thickness. After a short setting time, the surface is worked to a very smooth finish using a trowel. About 3 to 6 hours later, the surface is firm enough to walk on. Now a brief survey of the VANDEX CRS Concrete Repair system. This factory building suffered severe concrete damage. After proper preparatory work such as exposure and cleaning of the reinforcement, the VANDEX corrosion protection coat is applied. Following an appropriate waiting time, the bonding bridge is applied, mixing the powder of the repair mortar to the consistency of a slurry. The repair spot is gradually rebuilt. VANDEX CRS Repair Mortar 05 is used. It's a balanced one-component product, also ideally suited for the repair of edges. VANDEX repair mortar can also be applied with a mortar gun. The one-component CRS leveling compound forms a smooth surface that shows no difference between old and new. Finally, the VANDEX CRS protective paint guarantees a long-lasting repair. Where minor movement is expected, CRS Concrete Protection Elast should be used. Research and development are the cornerstones of the company's future. As pioneers of capillary waterproofing, the commitment of VANDEX researchers to innovation is total. For them, only the most advanced products and fully integrated problem solving are good enough. The protection of concrete is the priority of the future. So VANDEX developed OS95, a new generation of two-component polymer elasticized protective coating. OS95 is a system that is suitable for all types of concrete structures. It combines a carbon dioxide barrier with crack bridging capacities under extreme weather conditions and optimal weatherproofing, in conformity with the latest European standards. Major VANDEX products are manufactured at the company's plant in Germany. Modern production facilities and trained personnel assure high quality and optimal availability. The main production line delivers powdery products such as waterproofing slurries, waterproofing mortars, and repair mortars. This is a line for filling and closing environmentally friendly products in 25-kilogram bags and passing them on to a palleting station where pallet loads of 1 ton net weight are assembled. Then a shrink hood is put on and firmly tightened by heating. Next, the pallets are hauled to the warehouse. VANDEX products are normally shipped containerized from Hamburg or from a local plant to destinations all over the world. Quality is job number 1 at VANDEX. An independent quality assurance section, reporting directly to top management, controls VANDEX's integrated quality assurance program, encompassing all relevant areas, including control of finished goods, raw materials, production processes, manufacturing technology, and file maintenance. VANDEX products are regularly tested by approved test laboratories in various countries around the world. Continual proof of the performance and features of VANDEX products. VANDEX Technical Assistance is organized to provide rapid and expert service worldwide, based on experience and know-how supported by comprehensive technical literature. VANDEX-trained engineers provide professional consulting services for planners and applicators. VANDEX technical services include assistance in specification writing for standard or individual problem solutions. VANDEX regularly offers training courses given at VANDEX headquarters, at the VANDEX Demonstration Center or customer premises. If required, VANDEX supervisors demonstrate or supervise applications to support VANDEX local distributors or end users in the proper application of VANDEX products right on the job. VANDEX maintains a job reference service providing key data for customers on completed VANDEX projects throughout the world. For more than 45 years, VANDEX products have been used worldwide on thousands of projects, proving their efficiency and durability. For instance, at City Place skyscraper in Dallas, Texas, with VANDEX interior waterproofing. The huge Toyota factory in Japan with VANDEX waterproofing over 100,000 square meters. France's new Ministry of Finance received interior waterproofing against hydrostatic pressure. Norway's ultra-high-tech offshore oil rig, Statfjord B. Historic Windsor Castle in Britain was treated with VANDEX products against rising damp. Raffles City, Asia's tallest hotel, was completely waterproofed with VANDEX, including water-retaining tanks. La Défense, Paris, a futuristic city with a new symbol, La Grande Arche. The breathtaking structure has an innovative fire extinguishing system with water tanks containing 2.5 million liters, waterproofed with VANDEX. The largest commercial development in Europe, Canary Wharf in London, includes the tallest high-rise in the UK, the Tower. VANDEX provided the waterproofing. VANDEX, clearly the leader for capillary waterproofing. A pioneer in the vanguard of innovation, a pace-setter for concrete waterproofing, repair, protection, and refurbishing. The VANDEX Group, with its headquarters in Switzerland, is represented in over 35 countries throughout the world by exclusive distributors. Each distributor gears his local business network and services to meet the industry standards set by VANDEX. VANDEX, your reliable partner, today and in the future.